So we're here on the banks of the Mirror Lake project. Back in the fall of 2013, we applied approximately 79 tons of activated carbon product to the lake, which then sank to the bottom with the goal of binding the contamination in the bottom of the lake to prevent the transfer of that contamination into the fish and in the food chain in the lake. We tested water, sediment, and fish immediately prior to applying the carbon, and we came back 1 year later and we also tested water, sediment, and fish. And what we saw for the water, sediment, and fish was an approximate 60% reduction in the baseline levels. That is a significant improvement, and we are well on our way to attaining what we hope to be a 70 to 90% reduction in 3 to 5 years.
You know, on a national scale, this project has gained a lot of attention. We've promoted it nationally, and as you know, the largest application or largest pilot study of this particular carbon product anywhere in the country, people are watching. And you know, with the successes that we've shown here, I think we'll find that, you know, our little project here in Delaware is going to be a real important piece to the overall puzzle that really helps to promote similar technologies or these particular carbon technologies across the country.
We'll continue to monitor, but we are extremely pleased with the results from the first year.
We're going to continue to study our watersheds and you know, pinpoint some areas that could use some treatment, take care of the sources that we can take care of, and you know, then evaluate what technologies we can use to get the same outcome as we're getting here.